Have you ever wondered what would happen if the Stream Deck XL would get a baby with the Stream Deck Plus? Well, you're getting your answer right now. It's this big box. It's a Stream Deck Plus XL. And it is a pretty large box. It is pretty big. We're gonna unpack it right now and see what is in the box. And we're gonna admire this beauty. Let's lift that baby up. Dramatic effect. It's going really slowly. Cool, cool, cool. We got this. Woo. This is the Elgato logo on it. Really cool. And then, haha, it is packed in some kind of cloth. I'm gonna put this aside for a second. The suspense. And there's a little bag with it. Genuine spare parts. We got a USB-C to USB-C cable in here. It has a speed of 480 Mbits per second. It's a 2.0 USB. And important safety instructions here as well. And that's everything that's in this little bag. The rest of the box is empty. I am excited. I'm super excited, guys. Here it goes. Oh, it is so big. Oh my god. Oh my god, it is so big. Look at my hand. Look at the side of the thing. It is huge. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 knobs, where the Stream Deck Plus has only 4 knobs. So it's not just the Stream Deck XL plus the Stream Deck Plus, because you get 2 extra knobs. And then, let's see, the Stream Deck XL has, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4 by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Ooh, so you get 4 extra buttons as well. So you get 2 extra knobs and 4 extra buttons. I'm just counting again for sure because, you know, I don't want to make that mistake to promise you extra 4 buttons that aren't there. So there's 4 extra buttons and 2 extra knobs in comparison to just having a Stream Deck XL and having those 4 knobs. Of course, if you'd have this one and this one, you would have 4 extra buttons because you would have buttons on here as well. But then you would have 2 devices instead of 1. The display here is also a lot bigger than on the Stream Deck Plus because it needs to display above all the knobs. So yeah, it is bigger. It is a touch display, by the way, so you can swipe over it. Very swipeable. These knobs here are just like the Stream Deck Plus. You can get them off and you would think like, True, what have you done? This is not something bad because you can actually replace them with different colors. So they do sell different sets and you can have them look fancy. So you can have the Stream Deck Plus XL. I need to not mix those names in my head now. You can have it customized with different buttons, different colors of your liking. Here at the back, we have the USB-C input, which your cable goes into, and then it goes into your PC. You can download the software for this thing on elgato.com. You just select your product, which is the Stream Deck Plus XL, and then you can get the Stream Deck software, where you can program these buttons with, but also the dials. It will work the same as programming a Stream Deck XL, a Stream Deck Plus, a normal Stream Deck, a Stream Deck Mark II, a Stream Deck Mini. They all work the same with the same program. The opposite of having this one though is it is big. You have a lot of buttons, a lot of dials, so you have a lot of options. Obviously, you could also just buy a Stream Deck XL and a Stream Deck Plus, but like I said, you have less dials then, and you have 2 devices on your desk. And this is just one neat device. I do like it neat on my desk. Although I have to admit, I do have quite some Stream Decks on my desk. If you guys have any questions about this device, please leave them down in the comments below. I do my best to answer them all. If I don't know the answer, I'll do my best to ask and see if I can get the answer, because I don't know everything. I'm not some all-knowing kind of wizard, but I know a lot about this device. So if you have any questions, feel free to ask. Huge thanks to Elgato for giving me this Stream Deck Plus XL. Yes, I got the name right. Things are getting so confusing now, they have so many products. Thank you so much for gifting that to me. I really, really appreciate it. Over the years, I have accumulated so many Elgato products, so if you guys want to see some more Elgato videos, I'll leave a playlist up here. If you want to see some other gear videos, I also have a playlist here, or OBS tutorials, I do have playlists on that as well. And I just hope to see you in one of my other videos.